Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Simple past tense with timeline. Simple past tense. Timeline. The simple past tense is used for finished action in the past. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. The Titanic sailed in 1912. The sailing action finished. The ship hit an iceberg. The hitting action finished. Jack saved Rose from falling. The saving action finished. Many people got on the lifeboats. The action of getting on finished. The Titanic sank to the bottom of the ocean. The sinking action finished. Like, comment and subscribe.